Whew, that's a good flavor. Or anything else basically go to the side that I won't. Pretty good. Oh. Yeah. Excuse me. Well, that's interesting. Excuse me. Ooh, that felt way better. What the heck? Yeah, I'm feeling lightheaded at this point. Ooh, crap. This don't even. This more, it tastes like a more, something I'll put, yeah, in a mixed drink. This is more like on the diet side, I figure. Excuse me. Jeez. Oh, that felt better. Yeah, I just should have kept on drinking that beer because I don't know what the heck just happened at all. I don't think I did that, but yeah, I'll try again. Yeah. Felt like I was about to throw up right there. What the hell was that? Oh, god dang. I guess it's been a while since I actually had a beer. Excuse me. Excuse me. That felt interesting. Hold on, that was good. Excuse me. Excuse me. That sounded wet. It really sounded wet. I can't